Dispersal of seeds. The seeds fall off far away from the mother plants. Why? The reproductive capacity of plants is so tremendous that a very large number of seeds is produced by a single plant. So if all the seeds fall directly below the parent plant means the seedlings would have to compete for space, water, oxygen and minerals and sunlight. So it leads to the competition. And also when seedlings are grouped together at one place, they could be easily destroyed by the grazing animals. So such a situation would be detrimental to the species. So the fruit and seeds of plants have evolved various devices by which they can be distinguished or distributed far away through the various agencies. This not only eliminates the unhealthy competitive struggle that would arise from overcrowding, but also ensures the successful spreading and establishment of a species on the earth. Most fruits and seeds have evolved adaptation for dispersal. So let us see the agents for the dispersal of fruits and seeds. Based on the agents involved in the dispersal, there are various types of dispersal mechanism of fruits and seeds in plants. Autochory, it is an active mechanism of self-dispersal of fruits and seeds. So for example, if you take balsam, fruits like balsam burst with a sudden jerk and disperse the seeds by an explosive mechanism. And next type is anemochory. Anemochory is wind dispersal of fruits and seeds. Alternatively, the wind may blow them away, for which they have to be very light, so that the buoyancy may enable them to float on air over long distances. So some of them are provided with hairs and membranous wing-like structures which enable them to be carried away easily. So example, seeds dispersed by the wind are Calotropis ericum, moringa, drumsticks, etc. So fruits of tridacts carry a persistent calyx modified into a pappus. It is a ring of fine feathery hairs, so which acts like a parachute and aids in the dispersal of the tridacts by wind. Hydrochory. Hydrochory is the mechanism by which dispersal of fruits and seeds is by water. So fruits dispersed by water have outer coats that are modified to enable them to float in the water. So if you take coconut is fibrous which is easily carried away by water currents. And the spongy thalamus of lotus floats in the water streams, and after some time the fruits get separated and the seeds begin to germinate. So the next type is zoochory. Zoochory is the mechanism by which the dispersal of fruits and seeds is by animals. So some fruits are provided with hooks, spines, bristles, stippers, etc. on their outer coat. So with the aid of these outgrowths, these fruits stick to the furry of skin of animals and get carried away from one place to another. So the fruits of xanthium have sharp, pointed, stiff hooks, and the acranthus, the perianth and bracts are pointed. So you can see here the bracts are being pointed in the acranthus type of fruits. So many fleshy fruits are eaten by the animals and human beings, and the seeds are thrown away.